Greetings class. This video is the video for your course project, and this will get you right back into the swing of things. If you haven't submitted your course project yet, I'm going to go over a roll-up of the whole entire course project. Once it's complete, I'll show you how to submit it from lessons 1 through 5 to get you all back in there and get those grades. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Moodle. We're in our course. We're going to go into the eResource Writing Center. So this is eResource. We're going to go to the Writing Center, click on the Writing Center, and we're going to click on APA Assignment Template. It downloads. We're going to go ahead and open the download. Okay, and it has a template of the course project that we're going to do. Right, this is for assignment and course projects. What we're going to do is we're going to modify the running head. To do that, we just double click in there. We're going to type whatever we want. In this price point, we're going to do course project video library. That's complete. Just double click out of there. Our running head is complete. I'm going to type the name of the paper, and each one of these tells us what it should be up to. So video course library. All right, name Daniel Schmeling. Course, right? It's IT 100. Introduction to computers. Daniel Schmeling. So you see, it's just simply just modifying what's already here, right? So 12, 11, right? I'll just hit enter. Okay, so our cover page is now done. It's just that simple. We're going to go down here. We need to modify our running head again, right? We're going to do video course. We're doing it in all caps, of course. Okay, double click out of that. So then we go to our abstract. Well, what is an abstract? Well, this template tells you exactly what it should be, right? 150 to 200 words. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to type some information about, like sort of an introduction, right? The video course library was a compiled library of video selections in YouTube or from the internet in this library. So just something like that, right? I'm not going to go through that whole thing, but just a quick summary of what you've done here. All right, so now we're going to get into the assignment, right? So video course library, right? And then the only thing I'm looking for you to do is select 12 videos and write 100 to 150 words about them. All right, so for example, we're going to go to how RAM works. Let's go here. How RAM works. All right. We'll go to videos. All right, so how the CPU works. Okay. So we have this video. Skip the ad. It's a video on how CPU works. So all I'm going to do is highlight here, right click, copy. Okay. And I'm going to do it here, right? So right click, paste. So there's my first video, right? So I'm going to do something like lesson 1 videos, right? Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to watch the video. I'm going to gain some information from the video, take notes, whatever I'd like to do to make sure I know what it's about. Okay. I'm also going to grab the information of who it's from and who it's by, right? We click on more, we can click on transcript, right? Sometimes transcript will tell us who it's from and who it's by, so that later we can put in there our reference, okay? So it's still going through, but we could also see the author here. And then I'll show you another trick that we can do for a reference. So we've got the video, we've watched the video, and then we're going to do a quick write-up, right? And I'll do something like, we want to spell that out, right? We don't want it to be written so bold. We're going to do, in this lesson, selection of videos were on RAM, CPU. Just a quick little brief write-up, and then here is the first video I selected. I'm going to try to stay away from using the word I. So here's the first video that was selected, and then a write-up on it, right? So underneath this video showed me how a CPU works. It explained, or we don't want to start with it. Video explained. So you're going to do a quick 100 to 150 words, right? 100, 150 words. Then you're going to select your next video. Here is the second video, right? And then you go and select another video and do the same thing. Now, you're going to repeat this process 12 times, right? So you're going to have lesson 1 and then 3 videos. Lesson 2 and then 3 videos. Lesson 3 and then 3 videos. Lesson 4 and then 3 videos. In each one of them videos, you're going to write up 100 to 150 words, okay? Then you're going to go down to your reference page. Your reference page is going to be an APA format, okay? This is an example of what APA format looks like. As you can see, it's in alphabetical order, A, B, C, E, M, N, okay? You are going to at least have 12 references since you have 12 videos, right? Each video is a reference, and you're writing about that. So a great place that you can go to, and it's right here from the eResource Writing Center, right? It tells you here's some places that you can get, APA reference format. One I like the best is Citation Machine. Go here. I'm going to click APA, right? I have a film. I'm going to put it in there and search for it. Okay, it found it. I'm going to select it, right? And basically, it's going to tell me, right, the information. I'm going to say, go ahead and create that for me, right? So it creates the citation for me, okay? I copy that citation, or I could copy it here. Citation is now copied, and then I paste the citation, right? Now we want it to be in the same format that it should be, right? So we're going to do double spacing, hang indentation, and if we didn't know where to find that format, we can go to the eResource Writing Center, and we can go to some of these references, okay? So it explains to us how to do that reference, right? In this case, I don't think, yeah, we need to double space it. So I could highlight it, right click, and go to paragraph, I'm going to change the spacing to double spacing, right? My second line is going to have a hanging indent, right? So I'm going to get to that. Right click, paragraph, right? We said we wanted a hanging indent. Okay, that's it. I don't like the way the space looks, but it's just because it's not long enough. So it looks kind of awkward, but that's our film reference right there. It's just that easy. Okay, so what I'm telling you is that if you selected all of your 12 videos and did this course project, you could then go back to your class and submit them in each one, right? By going to topic 1, right? You have 12 videos. Well, this course project is on 3 videos, right? So you simply submit it in your course project 1, and then you take that complete project, submit it in 2, submit it in 3, submit it in 4, submit it as your final. It's not the preferred method, but I'd rather you submit something than nothing. Okay, so I expect